It was really hard for me to always learn all those rules of how to behave in situations. Because the rules are really complicated. They're like the behavior rules of how to be polite. Like for example, when you cough, you should always cover the cough. You should kind of cover your mouth. And then if you sneeze, you should also cover the sneeze. But for some reason, the same does not apply when you fart. And I don't know why, because I personally think that farts are worse than coughs. I think we should be covering them, but if you have tried to do it, I'm sure you have noticed that it didn't help. Like at all, it didn't help. It probably even made the situation worse. Even though it's like the same thing, but it's like, oh, sorry. And after a fart, you don't say, God bless you. It's so complicated. The rule, it's so complicated. Like if somebody sneezes, you always have to say, God bless you. But if somebody farts, you have to say their name and what the fuck.